Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. That means that with any vehicle purchase you make, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your very own chance to win $10,000. And now back to the star of the show. We have this beautiful 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SE that was just recently brought in to show you. Under the hood, you're going to find the award-winning 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar engine that is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and it is shown in the gorgeous granite crystal metallic color. Down below you will be riding on 17-inch wheels. This Grand Caravan has been fully safetied and inspected. It's only had one previous owner and has a clean CARFAX. We are going to take you through this quickly, but if you have any additional questions or want to get this on the road for a test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Helping you win, you do get this remote from the factory with your unlock, lock, and panic button. And then as we head on inside, you have a beautiful two-tone interior. Power mirrors, power windows in the first row, and power locks throughout. Lots of storage in the door, great all-weather mats, keeping everything in excellent condition, and beautiful premium cloth throughout. Your front seats are also super comfortable captain's chairs. On the steering wheel, you have cruise control to the right, to the left, dash selection. And behind my fingertips there, you do have audio-mounted controls allowing you to change the station source and volume, all while keeping your hands safely where they need to be. You do have a menu of information there. We'll just go back to the mileage. The current mileage sits at 62,296 kilometers. Your shifting area is to the right and up and out of the way. Nice clean dash. Into your entertainment system, you do have AM and FM capability for your radio options. You have a disc player in here, and then you can connect through auxiliary as well. You do have a backup camera in the rear view mirror. Great safety feature. And then moving on down from there, you have dual zone climate control with air conditioning. Traction control below that. You have a pull-out drawer with 2 cup holders and some additional space down below with 2 12-volt outlets. I'll give you a quick pan from the passenger side. Everything's in great condition throughout here. Locking glove compartment, additional space above that, vanity mirrors, and you have a built-in mirror and some sunglass storage. So we'll just enter the back through the passenger side to show you that the second row does have a bench seat in it. This does not stow, but you can remove it if you need to, and because it doesn't stow, you actually have all of the space underneath that you can use for additional storage. In the back, this third row does stow, so you have a nice deep storage space, and then the seats do fold down very easily. We'll just show you quickly the headrest first. You just pull the straps in order 1, 2, 3, and 4, and just like that with one hand you can stow the seats. So overall, as you can see, this is a beautiful van. If you have any questions or you just, again, want to get this on the road for a test drive to experience it for yourself, our information is at the end of this video. Please don't hesitate to give us a call. We'd love to help you out with anything that you need. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.